Artificial intelligence is no longer optional. It is every organization's new reality and every developer's core platform. AI now directly impacts operational efficiency and strategic decision-making. Enterprises demand AI integrations that deliver contextually aware, precise, and real-time reliable information. While end users interact with AI from handheld devices, as a developer, you must understand the dependencies AI has on cloud infrastructure. And here's where your AI expertise extends to developing AI solutions that are not only performant, but also cost-effective and scalable in today's cloud environments. Also, as AI increasingly writes organizational code bases, having highly skilled human expertise to verify automations and AI-generated code has become even more indispensable. Today, single developers are responsible for verifying vast amounts of AI-produced code and validating AI-generated code for reliability, performance, and correctness. Technical skill sets now demand the ability to articulate complex usability, intricate features, and comprehensive functionality for tomorrow's business leaders, translating innovation into tangible business advantage. Here, the TechStack YouTube channel becomes your source for advanced and detailed AI development skills. You'll learn to leverage popular AI and LLM APIs, along with cloud technologies to drive success for tomorrow's businesses and organizations. Subscribe now and gain expertise and a competitive edge.